Hi there, and welcome to this Billingbooth One tutorial, which is part of our Getting Started series. In this video, we'll go over two ways to assign Caller Line Identifiers, otherwise known as CLIs, to your customers on the Billingbooth One platform. First, let's go over adding CLIs to a specific customer. Click the Customers icon in the side navigation, and then Customers in the submenu. This takes you to the customer listing screen. From here, select the customer you'd like to add CLIs to. On the selected customer's overview screen, click Configuration in the top menu, and from the drop-down, select Caller Line Identifiers. This will take you to the selected customer's Caller Line Identifiers listing screen. To add a CLI to your selected customer, click the Add Line Identifier button at the top right of the CLI's listing screen. The Create New Caller Line Identifier screen is comprised of 4 fields. You have the line identifier itself. Typically this will be a phone number, but it could also be a SIP trunk ID or account number. The key thing is you want the CLI to be the same format as the files it's referred to in. For example, if the CLIs on your CDR files start with +44, you'll also want to ensure your CLI starts with +44. Description is an optional field which allows you to add a useful description for this CLI. For example, front desk. Type allows you to specify the type of CLI that this is. Lastly, you have the option of checking Exclude from Billing. If this field is checked, CDR and service file line items can still be matched to this CLI, but any charges associated to this CLI will not be invoiced to the customer. Once you're happy with the values you've entered, click the Create button to assign the Caller Line Identifier to the customer. The second means of assigning CLIs to your customers is to bulk import them. You can do this from the global Caller Line Identifiers listing screen. To get to the listing screen, click the Voice Data and SMS icon in the side navigation, and then Caller Line Identifiers in the submenu. At the top right of the Caller Line Identifiers listing screen, you have the Import button. Click this to head to the Import CLI screen. From here, you'll first want to click the Download CLI Import Template button to download a blank CLI import template. As an example, here is one I've filled out with some dummy CLIs for my demo customers. Please note, the red columns indicate required information, whilst the rest are optional. Once you're happy you have all the necessary information in the template, save it, and then either click the dotted area of the file field to browse your computer for the template file, or simply drag the template file onto the dotted area. You'll see the file ready to upload in the dotted area. When you're ready, click the Upload button to upload your CLIs into Billingbooth One. And with that, there are the two ways you can assign Caller Line Identifiers to your customers in Billingbooth One.